JP fans, and why is everybody in the anime, J-fashion, and cosplay community talking about it?
Oh, JP Fans is a cross-border shopping and forwarding platform.
But what exactly does that mean? It means JP Fans is a e-commerce platform that you can use to get goods from Japan when you aren't actually located in Japan.
They specialize in helping people overseas get stuff straight from Japan, and they'll ship it to you. So how does shipping exactly work? Like, isn't ordering from Japan super expensive?
Shipping from overseas can definitely be expensive, and thankfully JP Fans thought of this, so they offer multiple channels for you to choose from.
JP Fans themselves recommends using ECMS shipping. Even though the delivery time is a bit longer than UPS, it is also a lot cheaper than UPS. And it could be a great affordable shipping option for you. Speaking of UPS, that might be the shipping option you want to avoid. Sure, UPS is super fast, but it comes with a ton of fees. Handling fees, duties, local charges, and when you total all of those up, it may be even more expensive and increase your total cost. Okay, cool. So now I know what shipping I want to use, but is there any way that you can tell me exactly how expensive it'll be, or at least a rough estimate? Yes! JP Fans has a built-in shipping calculator that will give you an estimated cost. Keep in mind though, it is only an estimate. That means if the actual shipping is slightly higher than the estimated cost, you will need to pay the difference.
So I actually placed an order like 2 weeks ago.
I was on JP Fans today and I saw the coolest Innocent World JSK and I really want to buy it, but I'm a little worried. If I buy that new JSK, do you think they can ship everything together, or am I going to have to repay for shipping for my new order? What I love about JP Fans is they will actually hold all of your stuff for free in the warehouse up to 30 days. That means you can wait until everything you ordered arrives at their warehouse before requesting consolidated packaging. And since everything will be shipped together, you save on shipping costs. There is a caveat to this. International shipping costs are pretty expensive, especially if you get something that is really heavy or super oversized. So you might have to use UPS. If this happens, it's not going to decrease your overall shipping costs. So just be cautious of how much you're buying. And if this happens, you can actually split your packages into 2 or more, and you get to choose how they're divided. So experiment with different combinations and find the most cost-effective solution for you. I picked up one last goodie and it has batteries in it.
If it has batteries in it, is that going to cause any type of issues with shipping, or will I be okay? Okay, so if you're buying something that has built-in batteries,
it's important to note that they can only be shipped via UPS on most routes. So if you're buying lots of stuff with batteries, try packing all of the battery-powered items in one package and then take those non-electronic items and put them in another package. This should help reduce your shipping costs, but you can also contact JP Fans customer service to inquire further about battery removal options.
Wait, sorry, I have one more question for you.